Welcome. If you've ever started recording a voice message on Instagram and realized you want to delete it before sending, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update for PC, managing your voice messages has never been easier. Today, I'll show you exactly how to delete a voice message before it's sent in a chat, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Instagram homepage. Look to the left side of your screen for the messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane. Click on this icon to open your direct messages. Now, scroll through your conversations and select the chat where you want to send a voice message. Once you're inside the chat window, look at the bottom for the voice recorder icon, which usually appears as a small microphone. Click this icon to start recording your message. As you're recording, speak your message as you normally would. If you finish and decide you don't want to send it, or maybe you made a mistake, don't worry. There's a simple solution. Click the stop button to end your recording. Right after stopping, you'll notice a cancel icon, often displayed as an X or a trash bin, near the recording controls. Click this cancel icon. Instantly, your recorded voice message will be deleted before it ever reaches the other person. You don't need to worry about accidental sends or unwanted audio clips showing up in your chat. This new update gives you full control over your voice messages, letting you review or remove them before anyone else hears them. It's a great way to make sure you're only sending what you truly want to share. That's all it takes. Open Instagram, go to your messages, select your chat, record your message, and if you change your mind, just hit cancel. With these easy steps, you can confidently manage your voice messages on Instagram using your PC. Happy chatting!